Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to manage subscriptions. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click on these three white lines on the top right corner of your screen when you're on your profile page, and then head over into your balance. And then from here, there's a couple of things that you can do, but the main one you're going to want to go here is just down to your subscription manager. And then now you'll see a couple of different things that you can do. But you can manage your active subscriptions or your expired ones by clicking on this right part, which I don't have any subscriptions. And then you can also click on this to see your subscription history as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.